Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal to Wise. First, understand that direct transfers between these two platforms are not supported. You will need to use an intermediary bank account. Begin by ensuring your PayPal account is fully verified and linked to a bank account in your name. Similarly, have your Wise account set up and ready to receive funds. This guide will walk you through each necessary step to successfully move your money, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction process from start to finish. The initial step involves withdrawing your funds from PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Transfer Money or Withdraw section. Select the option to transfer to your linked bank account. Enter the desired amount you wish to send. PayPal typically processes these withdrawals within 1 to 3 business days, though sometimes it can be quicker. Confirm the details and initiate the transfer. Once the funds arrive in your bank account, you're ready for the next stage of the process. Once your funds have successfully landed in your bank account, it's time to send them to Wise. Log into your Wise account and select Send Money. You'll need to specify the amount and the currency. If you're sending to your own Wise account, choose yourself as the recipient. For the payment method, select bank transfer or manual bank transfer. Wise will provide you with their bank details, which you will use to initiate a standard bank transfer from your personal bank account. This ensures the money moves efficiently. Before finalizing your transfer, consider a few crucial points. Both PayPal and Wise may charge fees for their services, so review their respective fee structures. Pay close attention to currency exchange rates, as these can impact the final amount received. Wise is known for competitive rates, but always compare. Double-check all recipient details, including account numbers and names, to prevent any errors or delays. Taking these precautions will help ensure your money arrives safely and cost-effectively at its destination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.